anytime I can get an alpha-pinene, like I'm literally searching for it because I personally, not everyone, I personally always like to be locked in and working. That's just a drive that I do. I always want to be able to be ready to get up and start working. It's very American, right? But I also like the jitter. I'm the type of person that likes the jitters. If you ever take pre-workout or if you ever had too much coffee and you get those jitters and you're like, I like that. But with alpha-pinene, don't necessarily get that. You get a lot more focused. You get a lot more tunnel vision in. You get a lot more, say you have to do something. I'm gonna go back to the example of video editing, and you gotta be it for an hour, or two. You really need to lock in. Your alpha-pinene is definitely going to be the terpene that you want to look for. All right. Next one, you have the beta-myrcene. Same thing I was talking about. When you see myrcene inside of a sativa or anything, that's going to aid in your more relaxation, more of the sedative effect. If it's not a lot, especially, 3 down from the top terps, you're not really going to get like couch lock. That's going to be more so if you have it in high amounts. But here, you're just basically saying, after a couple puffs, then you're going to feel more relaxed than you would if you just had more alpha-pinene or any other sativa like stray or terpene. The other one here, we have the Ocimene.